Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income system, guys, and what the system is, and most importantly, what can it do? Well, the 10x income system is a income system that was created by Tabby D. It is an affiliate income system. Okay, and what does that mean? It means you get paid to promote this. You get paid to simply recommend it to anyone, guys. And if they purchase, you will get a commission. Now, how big are these commissions, guys, and how much does it cost to get onto this program? Well, every commission is $2.97, guys. When you get someone on and they pay for it, you also get a commission of $2.97. So the price is $2.97, guys. Once you get a commission, it is also $2.97. Okay, so there it is. It used to be $9.97 to get on, guys, and promote this, but now it's $2.97. Okay. So how does it work? It sounds easy. It sounds simple, guys. For some of you who are watching this, you may think it's some sort of pyramid scheme or something like that, guys. But there are real strategies inside this program that you can use to actually apply elsewhere, guys. So the 10x income system is definitely a little more than that, guys. We got a whole live community of people who are earning and just having a good time with this, guys, and getting results. If you go to the live Facebook group over here, guys, I've been to this group plenty of times in different videos, but just for the sake of demonstration, guys, I'm going to show you again some of the results that people are actually getting. Okay, so there are 1,000 people in this group right now, and that is not a lot at all, considering people have only been in this program for 2 weeks because this is a very new program. And it's only been out for 2 weeks. It's pretty crazy. So let's scroll down, guys. Look at that. First payment, guys. Organic traffic, baby. So look, Stephanie right here, guys, has gotten her first commission with organic traffic. So she didn't even have to buy any of the traffic packages that Tabby D is actually providing inside this program, guys. Now, just to clarify, guys, in these traffic packages, Tabby D has basically traffic that's already there for you. So she gathers the traffic. People who are interested in getting this program, guys, and you simply get it from her, and people buy. So it's a done for you automated system, as you can see here. Um, I'll I'll pilot traffic daily, guys, on a daily basis, lifelong traffic, guys. That is all through her traffic packages. Now, here's how it works. Once you actually buy 10x income program for 297, you will get in, and you have the option to buy the traffic packages, guys. If that's the route you choose to go, for me, I kind of went the organic route, guys, because when I first got in here, I was a little skeptical about things, you know. I saw 365-day money back guarantee, and I thought, hey, why not? It's pretty much no risk. Um, but I was still fairly new. I'm actually only a week old right now, guys. I've only been in this program for about a week. And before I bought a traffic package, I wanted to see what other people were saying about it. And recently, the post is kind of buried right now in all of other people's content in the Facebook group. But if we scroll down, I mean, I'll eventually find it, guys. But I'll just go ahead and explain, guys. Recently, about a day ago, 2 days ago, I posted a comment in the group asking what was the conversion rate on some of these traffic packages, and a lady named Lynn, I think, actually gave me an answer and told me that she bought a package on September 1st for about 200, guys, and it was $200 for the traffic packages. Uh, and there are lower options, but the one she paid for was $200, and I think she got a few thousand people clicking on that link, and two converted, which isn't like the most impressive thing, but she did get sales. So she invested 200, and got 600 back. So she definitely was profitable, guys, and made $400 there. So let's just scroll through, guys, so you can read some of the comments and stuff for yourself. Yeah. I wanted to keep this video pretty quick, guys, but the tax income system is an affiliate system, guys. You're getting paid to promote this system that Tabby D has created. It's very new right now. A lot of people are hopping on and just getting money simply by word of mouth, guys. Because of it's such a done for you system, guys, with a low risk, guys. 365 days, money back guarantee. So if you're unsure, so if you're pretty unsure about this program, and you're thinking it's a little pricey, 365-day money back guarantee, so it's nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose by simply trying it. So the worst case scenario is you jump on and you make absolutely nothing. And the best case scenario is you jump on and in a few days, maybe a day, maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks, you actually start getting results from this, guys. And it's coming in by 297 every time. You get 297 commission, guys. What will that mean for you? What will that mean for your situation, guys? Maybe some of you are left a little bit hurt from the pandemic, guys. And maybe you really try to turn things around. Maybe this is something that you can use to actually turn your situation around, guys. 'Cause I can't speak for all of you watching, guys, but personally, I was affected by the pandemic a little bit, guys. Some things were getting a little slow for me. Um, I definitely had some friends who lost their jobs or got laid off because of it as well. Even before I started working online, guys, I was always an entrepreneur, and I always knew how to, adapt and make money for myself, guys, just by regular skills, guys, that had nothing to do with computer work. But yeah, I mean, it's affected everyone in different ways, guys. So maybe this is something that you can use to actually, make some extra income on the side, or even a full time income, because there are plenty of people in this group who are making a full time income using this as well. And I just thought it would be helpful to share some of this information, guys, to people who are looking for it, of course. So. Um, I hope this information was helpful to all you guys watching. As usual, I have links in the description if you want to check out this page and watch this video and read up about Tabby D. The articles on this page right below. So if you want to visit this page for yourself, guys, just click the links down in the description. That's going to be pretty much it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you all, and see you next time.